Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, answering questions submitted by a student. This is probably coming from Algebra 1 student, my guess based on the difficulty of the problem. But it's very important to be able to do this because this is the kind of problem that appears on the SAT and ACT tests in addition to needing to know this for school. Okay. So let's get started. So we have this equation, y equals x over 4 minus 2. And this is a line. Notice the slope here, y equals mx plus b. The slope here is 1/4. And b is going to be -2 here. We want the equation of the line that's perpendicular, so you need to know the rules for perpendicular slope. So perpendicular slope is called the opposite reciprocal. So you just flip the original slope, so this becomes 4 over 1, or just 4, and then you have to change the sign. It's called the opposite reciprocal. And we have to find b. But we already know the slope. So we can write y equals mx plus b. And now I can write y equals -4 x plus b, because I'm trying to find the equation of the perpendicular line. I know its slope, but I don't know b yet. To evaluate b, we're going to take this point 4, -1, and then we're going to just plug it into the equation. So y becomes -1. X is 4 plus b. So -1 is equal to -16 plus b. And add 16 to both sides, and you're going to get 15 equals b. So our final answer is y equals -4x plus 15. And so we're going to circle that in true way we would for school. And we're done. Now, let's check our answer, and I'm going to use Desmos for this. Desmos is a graphing calculator that's online, and it's free. And if you don't know about Desmos, you should look into it. I've already done all the work. I'm going to upload the graph that I made in Desmos. And let's go over here. I don't want to block anything. Okay. So you can see I put in the red. The red line is just the original equation, y equals x over 4 minus 2. You can see that's the red line. And then the blue line is this other one that we found, which is supposed to be perpendicular. And it's kind of nice, I think, to just check on your graphing calculator. If you wanted to check by hand, you can get graph paper and plot points and things like that. Desmos is a wonderful tool, though, and you should learn how to use it, in my opinion. You can see these lines sure look like they're perpendicular, and Desmos also will label the point of intersection. So a lot of times, part of a problem like this might also ask you for the point of intersection And you can calculate that by hand, but you can see Desmos has done this for me automatically. So that's a way to just check it. But this is a fairly straightforward question. You should be able to do this in your sleep after you've done more practice. It's not that difficult. And I wish you luck in your algebra this year. Take care. Bye-bye.